níbikíbi tí ẹ bá wà, gbogbo ẹ̀yin alára wa, gbogbo ẹ̀yin bàbá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyá. Ìjẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ìjẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé gbogbo bí a ṣe ń pariwo tá à ń sunkún lọ́tùn lósì, táwọn ìyá kan ń pè wá ẹkún ni wọ́n wà mú lórí fóònù. Mo wo post Koiki kan lórí TikTok. Ìyá kan pè ẹkún ló wà mú túra lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí. Ìjẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ìjọba Ṣèyí Mákindé nílùú Ìbàdàn, òṣèlú wọn kóra wọn jọ lénìí ni tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú. Ìjọba Ṣèyí Mákindé nílùú Ìbàdàn, níbi tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ àgbàrá ìyanu ti ṣẹlẹ̀, níbi tí wọ́n ti kó àwọn ọmọ àgbọ́gbátímú àgbọ́lanu hàn kán bọ́ kì í ṣẹlẹ̀, níbi tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n bẹ́ tíṣà lórí, tí wọ́n jí àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, tí wọ́n jí olùkọ́ gbé, tí wọ́n sì wà nínú ọgbà àwọn Fúlàní títí dìsìn. Ìjọba Ṣèyí Mákindé wọ́n kóra wọn jọ ní lénìí lóbìtìbìtì tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú. Wọ́n ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ Nàìjíríà, ṣé ó yẹ kẹ́ lè gbárùn nǹkan bí lè láàyè? Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n yín kó jọ ọmọ àbúrò yín, ó wà nínú ibi tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ti ṣẹ̀. Ìjẹ́ ẹ máa wò, ìjẹ́ ẹ máa dákẹ́ ẹ máa wò wọ́n níran, ẹ̀ ní ti yabò wọ́n bẹ̀ kẹ́ lé gbogbo wọn dànù. Ẹni tí a kàn wá kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Àwọn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní agbára ju, ó lágbára, is beyond control, ó lágbára ju nǹkan tí èèyàn lè control lọ. Ẹ̀yin ò lè sùn. Mo fi kíní hàn ìyàwó mi lánàá, ó kígbe ní pé no kí n máa pòun fẹ́ rí. Pòun ti rí, ó ń fún un ní trauma. Nígbà tá a lọ́mọ kéékèèké sílé ojú ẹgbẹ́ wọn, wọ́n wà nínú àkàtà wa. Wà wá jókòó, wọ́n wá jí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́. Wà wá fẹ́ kẹ̀kẹ́ wá lọ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ bí tó ti ń ṣòṣèlú, níbi tó ń kóra wọn tó ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú. Ẹ̀yin people, kí ló dé tẹ́ ya ìkà bí eléyìí? Ẹ wá wo farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí o. Ọmọ Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ mọ̀ sí Jos Adétún lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni lòun náà ń sọ. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wá gbọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ̀n afẹ́fẹ́ lásán ni yóò gbé.
Nigerians, wipe your tears. Ẹnu omijé inú, solution has come to banditry. Hands off. This inhuman people, it has come. All of us, we need to come together. You heard what the president said. The president said that we should start to pray. Àti fẹ́ gbàdúrà báyìí. We are going to pray. We are going to pray cocktail prayer. Cocktail prayer. Please, I want you all to listen very well. The cocktail prayer that we are going to do now. If you be wish, be ready to join us. If you be wizard, Mami water spirit, aláwo, oníṣègùn, everybody, anything where we get, plus religion, plus culture, plus Africa, we need to team together now. Because it's like all the Holy Ghost fire where we they do. Our politicians, our leaders, they go, they give the gods of the land. When they're hungry, then they give them food. Our prayer no reach anywhere. So all of us need to put our sentiment aside. Me, I be born again. Another one be Muslim. Another one be wish. Another one be wizard. Another one be Alawo. Let us put sentiment aside. All of us, we need to come together and pray. One prayer. One prayer only. And the prayer is, we want to turn the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to the Esther of our time, the Delilah of our time, the Eve of our time. So I don't tell you alone. Pastors, anyone will not want to do. Alawo, witches, wizard, tó bá jẹ́ àṣàsí, àránsí, ọfà, ègún, àṣẹ, àfọ̀ṣẹ, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá lè lò. Ẹ pé orí First Lady Remi Tinubu, ẹ pé pa. Kó lọ bá ọkọ ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Eve ló gbé apple fún Adam. So let her go and manifest the power of a woman. He go give your husband instruction. And this is the instruction. Your husband go call Jonathan. When this banditry started, Jonathan should come and tell us how they started this negotiation and this business that is going on. Because obviously, everything now is looking like transaction. Politics in Nigeria is business. Religion in Nigeria is business. Banditry is business. Even the government itself now, obviously, the way things are looking is like it's business. Now, they will go and call these bandits. Aṣíwájú, ẹ ṣe báyìí kò sí kankan. Let the citizens be behind you. Àwọn tó ní ilẹ̀ tó ní òkè wọ́n fẹ́ wà lẹ́yìn yín. Ẹ gbọ́ síyàwó yín lẹ́nu. You will call the bandits. You will tell them to bring the agreement that is on ground. Why they will be kidnapping innocent children? They should stop kidnapping innocent children. We are not stopping them from doing banditry. But they need to change strategy. We got new clients, new customers for them. The bandits should start kidnapping our obas. Let us start from there. Ìgbà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé ẹ̀yin ọba, nǹkan fi ṣe ìṣẹ̀ǹbá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ẹ kó jáde. All the Ezendigbo, all the sultans, all the obas, let them start kidnapping them. Asiwaju, sign the goddamn agreement. Let there be an agreement. Leave innocent citizens alone. Let them carry all those ones. Shebi, the other day we saw a video of where one man say he get juju. As them blow the juju, bandits is sleep. Let it be the gods of the land versus the ammunitions. When they start to carry all the obas, when they carry them, àwọn agbára ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé tó wà lọ́wọ́ yín, àwọn táwọn bàbá wa jogún fún yín, ẹ kó bọ́ta, you will secure the land. Nation building starts from family to community, from community to society, because it becomes a nation. Let us start from individual clans. Let them begin to kidnap all the obas. Ẹ kó wọn, ṣe ríru àwọn nìyẹn, ẹ kó wọn. Tó bá ti gbèrú àwọn yẹn, all the witches and wizards that is in Ile-Ife, oni máa kó wọn jáde. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní attack àwọn bandits. Olówu, ẹ kó ẹgbẹ́. Wọ́n those obas, Ọ̀yọ́, ẹ kó wọn, ogun burúkú wà lọ́wọ́ wọn kò sábẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n jẹ́ party kiri ni. Aṣíwájú, listen to the citizens. Leave those sycophants alone. Now, number two. Oku. Àwọn bàbá tó ń dọ̀fẹ́, irú àwọn bàbá Samson. Bandits carry them, they go. Leave innocent children. Good customer, good clientele base. When they begin to hold the people that are supposed to be securing the land, protecting the lives of people, they will sit right. But they will bring everything they inherited from our great-grandfather out. So, government, ownership will not be by politicians. Let it be by the people that can secure and protect the land. Baba Debo, you will sacrifice. The biggest religion in Nigeria is Christianity. And you have the biggest church. First lady, and your pastor. Now, all those redeemed churches, to buy children in all these vulnerable communities, let them move them to redeemed camp. School there can take more than 10,000, 30,000 children. Food there, facilities there. Baba Debo, let them use your place to secure the lives of citizens. As he besides say, no, he pursue first lady. Help first lady. That money will now won't contest the election. Let them give it to each community to build walls and barriers. Fence their communities round away from the bushes. Then, part of the money will now want election. A local drone wa. Shari go bobitan bandit wa. A bomb modanu. A bomb modanu. Ashiwaju, if you can do this one, you have won the heart of citizens. You are going to become the hero of democracy. Listen to the citizens. Now, you see these citizens that they take small eye look. You they listen to those politicians that only came to steal and destroy. They will be giving you correct idea. Ashiwaju, government of the people, by the people, for the people. Come close to citizens. Advice. All this strategy, they will be giving you. Just sign the goddamn contract. Go and meet bandits and realign with them. Sign new contracts. Then all those police officers, where we say now only when things happen, you are deploying them. Let every community have police. They just sit down for office, one ring kakanshe, then they press iPhone 17. Everybody leave the office. All police officers, no matter your rank, let them be in the bush. Let them secure the lives of our citizens, our minors, our leaders of tomorrow. Eko gbogbo àwọn bá wa. Don't leave anyone. Ogun burúkú wà lọ́wọ́ party ló ń lọ. Wọ́n fẹ́yàwó, wọ́n bímọ. The other day, last year, Obas of Lagos wife, those ones do meeting. Then go call and all. Then wear white. They could not discuss anything concerning security. They were discussing how their kings are beating them. Sharipe won Nisha. Asiwaju, betray all of them for the loyalty of this country. It's simple. Let us start from here. When we do this one, 6 months, it's either the bandits will face the gods of the land, or we will know that you don't have the interest. Because all the people surrounding you, I don't think they are giving you advice. One, full advice. Asiwaju, Toban full advice, and to betray one. If you can carry confidence, the confidence that you raise your politicians, you see the primary election, and your area boys in Eki, àwọn bandits láyà, ẹni kọ́kọ́ gbogbo àwọn bá. Sign them off. Ẹ̀ta àwọn dànù wọn wúlò fún wa. Ó ti bímọ tó máa ṣẹ̀yìn ẹ̀. Nígbà tẹ́ bá kó wọn, the real security of the land, they will use it to kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ kú. Ọkàn wọn balẹ̀ ni wọ́n ignore wa. They are making us to be shouting. This is part 1. Part 2 is coming. We must deliver ourselves. Nobody they pray any prayer. They frustrate. They type English again. You know, if we solve this banditry, they know what is eating us. So they will carry innocent children, 2-year-old children, pregnant women. They know that we cannot sleep. We are ready to sleep. Actually, listen to the advice of the citizen. This is not about I know. Onima binu, Oni Risha, I know you are my person. Binu. All the others who are sabi, make una no vex. This is the time that you people should sacrifice for the land. Our forefathers, the labor of our heroes, saved us. And you know, and make sacrifice. So that you will bring all the juju, all the security, all the brain in your head and use it to protect the land. The gods of the land are not dead. We will now, we are prayer warriors. There will be no waste.
Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú fún wa o. A ò mọ bí tá a fẹ́ ṣe léyìí sí àmọ́ báyìí fẹ́ ṣe léyìí o. Wọn ò bí fi àwọn ọmọdé wọn sílẹ̀ o, ìjọba ò bí sọ wọ́n kọ̀ láti negotiate. Ẹ̀dẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí Very Dark Man sọ lánàá. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ẹgbọ́n tí Very Dark Man sọ lánàá. Ó lóun fún wọn ní 3 days tó ń bá rí nǹkan ṣe sí òun á gbé go for me. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jáde lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ká support. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọ̀tẹ̀ sílẹ̀ kán support arákùnrin, kán dá owó, kán gba àwọn ọmọdé wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀ síbẹ̀ kí ojú kó tì ìjọba. Kí ojú kó tì ìjọba. Ha! Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, ẹ wo ohun tá a wé wá òjè lé lọ. Please help us to share this video. Abeg, mo mọ̀ pé ẹ ti ń ṣe. Ẹ bá wa máa pín ètò wa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Most especially concerning this issue of these children. Ẹ bá wa pín. Mo kí yín o. Ẹ ní lá fún.